I might as well go ahead and pro charge it or boost it. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to a new video. If you were paying attention where I dropped off last, or my last video that I uploaded, I had taken the Corvette to Streetcar Takeover Charlotte, which is at Z-Max Dragway, and actually I blew it up. More about that in a minute. Basically, this is just an update video, let you guys know where I'm at now and where we're going to go forward. And also, I kind of want some input from you guys if you have any suggestions on what I'm going to say or my ideas. Long story short, it's gonna cost. I'm gonna have to rebuild the bottom end on the Corvette, and while I have it at the mechanics, I might as well go ahead and pro charge it or boost it in some way, shape, or form while he has it under the knife already. He's got to pull the engine out anyway to fix it, so I might as well go ahead and do that stuff while he has it, so I don't have to pay double labor in a few months. So with that being said, the car is in his possession right now. It's probably gonna be 2 or 3 weeks before he starts working on it, which is fine. And I'm shooting for maybe before Christmas, getting it back. Just be paying attention for some really cool car content in the near future. But I think I've decided to pro charge it. I looked into doing turbos, and I would rather go turbo because I just like turbos. It's cool to see you have a turbo car. But I want to keep my AC, and yes, I know you can do that with turbos. But to do turbos, I feel like it's a little bit less reliable than a pro charger would be, given the same price range. I want it to be reliable, and I don't want to have to spend an insane amount. And to do turbos right on a C6, you gotta fork out a lot of money. This bill would probably be like 15 or close to 20 grand to do it right, and I just don't want to spend quite that much on it. But I think I'm going to go on the Pro Charger route or a centrifugal supercharger in general. I might go with the A&A kit. But you guys drop in the comments and let me know what you think would be best for the Vet. But I'm going to have a built bottom end, everything other than the crank, which the stock crank in the LS3 should support around 1,000. And I don't plan on going to a 1,000 anytime soon. My power goal is like 8 to 850, maybe 900. We'll just see. Might have to get a clutch and all that good stuff. But again, this is just kind of an update video to let you guys know what's going on and what the channel's been up to. I know it's been a few months since I posted anything. It's mainly because I haven't really had a car. And I haven't really had many people hit me up or try to talk to me about reviewing their cars lately, which is okay. It's starting to get cold outside and all that. But thank you guys for coming back. If you're new to the channel, or this is the first time you made it to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. Also go back and check some of my older videos. I have some stuff that I think you would like if you're into Corvettes or really just cars in general. I'm taking it to a guy named Adam, and he runs Aquadale Speed Shop. It's in Norwood, North Carolina. So if you're in the vicinity or you'd be willing to drive to Norwood, he does a super awesome job. It's super friendly, nice guy, and he killed it with the tune on my previous setup. And he's not the reason that anything went wrong with it. I think what happened was we were at Streetcar Takeover. It was like 100 degrees. Car is idling for like 30-40 minutes before it makes a pass. It's heat soaked as crap. The engine oil probably got thin. In my opinion, that's probably what did it. But anyways, again, just want to make an update video. Just be looking out for everything in the future. If you have suggestions, again, please drop them in the comments. I'd love to hear them. Other than that, I hope you guys have an awesome day, and we will see you later. Peace.